Let me show you how to clean your entire Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5. So first of all, let's talk about the tools and all of the accessories that we'll be using for the cleaning process. And first thing is a screwdriver. You can look for any screwdriver with the size similar to that, so that it can unscrew a few things, like for example the brushes on the left and right here. And if we want to go for a deep clean, we can also try to unscrew those wheels right here with this screw and remove the rubbers if you want to clean them as well. And lastly, if we open a dustbin, we can find the screws right here, which allows you to remove the filter beneath, because this filter is not accessible even if we remove the HEPA filter. Or actually, yeah, it is. So you can simply remove that without the screwdriver. Sorry, that was my mistake. Anyway, so that is the screwdriver that I talked about, and all of the things that we'll use it for. And the next thing that we can get is a simple cloth sheet and some cleaning solution for windshields, or the best choice would be honestly LCD cleaner when it comes to cleaning sensors. Then last thing is a toothbrush. I didn't bring the toothbrush, but you can get it to clean some of the unreachable areas. So now when we have all of the tools covered, let's turn our robot upside down, and I would start by removing everything that we want to clean. So take out those brushes with a screwdriver, simply unscrew them like this. It's not that hard. I'm not gonna do that right now. It would just waste your time. It's very simple. You just unscrew them and then you can screw them in again. Then the wheels, you can also do the same thing on this wheel and this wheel, and then try to remove the rubber, but it's not necessary. It's a very deep clean. You shouldn't do that each time you clean your robot. Then there's the vacuum area right here. For that, I would use a toothbrush. Do not use any water on the outside of the device. I will tell you when you can use the water, since it may damage your device. So here I would just use a simple toothbrush and clean it on the edges, because the dust can overwhelm it. And here you can also use something like a toothbrush to clean the filters right there. And but I would make sure that the device, the robot itself, isn't pointed down. When you clean this area, it should be somewhere like that. So now we have our robot cleaned, and after we cleaned everything that I talked about a second ago, you should go for a scanners as well. The sensors, pardon me. That's why we want a clean sheet of fabric or something like that, with a cleaning solution for LCD screen, or if you want a windshield or something like that. Then take that sheet and simply clean the sensors right here. And lastly, the bumper sensor right here. Use the sheet as well to clean it. So now we have our entire robot cleaned. Let's move on to the dustbin. If you're wondering how to open a dustbin for your device, you need to press on this button right here, and then you can simply pull it open. From there you can remove all of the dust and then clean it with water, but use water only in a case when you remove the HEPA filter, because the HEPA filter that comes along with this device doesn't quite work with water. You will damage it. So when the HEPA filter is removed like that, you can use water right here to clean it fully. Then we have the HEPA filter, and my hatch fell out, so sorry for that. But you can remove the HEPA filter and then do not clean it underwater. Simply take it up on the bin and hit it on the edge until the dust is out. If your HEPA filter looks very dirty and too damaged, you just need to replace it. There's no way to clean it underwater. It will just not work properly after doing that. You can also remove this filter and then clean it. You can actually use water, I guess. It shouldn't damage it in any case. I always do it on my other robot. And then you can simply take this entire thing in the water, as I said, and clean it properly. So that is, I think, everything that we should clean on this robot, including the deep clean and as well as the regular cleaning for this device. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.